have not even opened the lid to this cute style Belle Tress Madison. I have been wanting to open it up and take a look at it, but I kept saying no, I'm going to do an unboxing on this one. I want to show you what I do to it straight out of the box, what I do to make it my own. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Andy. Let's get this review started. You probably know that Belle Tress Madison is a really popular style. It is one that a lot of people love. It's low density, it's got layers in it, no permatease in it, and I just have a feeling that I'm gonna have to make this one my own because, you know, I am not a low density girl. Let me start off and thank TL Wigs for sending me Madison so I can show this to you today. TL Wigs is a wonderful, trustworthy online retailer, and they also have a private and a very active Facebook support group. We invite you to join that support group where there's almost 5,000 members that you're going to be able to connect with that love wigs just like you do. You're going to be able to see pictures of people posting pictures of themselves in their own wigs that perhaps you're interested in. You're going to be able to hear about sales and giveaways that TL Wigs is having. It's a wonderful place to be, so we hope to see you there. And if you'd like to grab yourself a Madison, you can go down in that description box right below this video. I'm going to have a link that'll take you directly over to tlwigs.com, and you can use the code Andy in the notes section at checkout, and you're going to be sent a gift card as a way for TL Wigs to say thank you for your order. And I'm also going to leave you a link to that Facebook support group there as well. I enjoy doing unboxings, and I think that you do too, because you get to see what I do straight from the box with the wig. You get to see what I do to make it my own. I know a lot of you enjoy more volume on your styles, so I hope that you find it interesting whenever I kind of pump the volume up a little bit in my wigs. But also, I get to show you 2 wigs in one video. And the one that I have on today is a beautiful style from Ellen Villa, and I have a full review of this. This is Ellen Villa Onda. And this is in the color Nut Multi-Shaded. It has these amazingly beautiful highlights in those curls. Some of the most beautiful curls I've ever seen on a wig. Let me turn around and let you see this from all sides. But you know, I love a cute, messy, curly bob. It's one of my favorite looks. I don't know why I like it so much, but I just do. I just think it's a fun look. And look how pretty this moves. This is regular synthetic fiber too. Lightweight, kind of wispy. And again, look at the highlights in that with that nut multi-shaded. So pretty. In the description box below, I will have a link to my full review of Onda, as well as to the TL Wigs website where you can find Onda. Use the code Andy in the notes section at checkout. You'll be sent a gift card. Let's go ahead and start this unboxing. So here we go. I'm going to unbox Madison and take it out of the box. And you know what I always do? After we take the tags off, I always give it a really good shake. And first of all, let's look at the cap construction on Madison. In the City Collection, we have an extended lace front. We have a deep left monofilament part, closed soft ear tabs with stays. We have an extended nape with stays, and we have Velcro adjusters. I usually pull my Velcro adjusters within about 1 inch of them touching. So that's where I'm going to have them. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. So let me take the tag off of Madison here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is always exciting to unbox a new style, give it a good shake. You always take it by the nape. I always give it a really good shake, several shakes. And you do the shake and the rake. You take it and you rake those fibers away from the cap that have been sitting in there for quite a while. All over the cap, I rake it. I love this color, Macadamia Latte-R. I think it is so pretty. It's pretty much a neutral color in my opinion, neutral leaning a little bit warm. Really beautiful blended color. So I'm going to take Onda off, and we're going to pop Madison on and see what we have with this one. Before I take this off, I think something that's kind of funny is I have several people that have commented on Facebook that they don't believe me that what I'm wearing is a wig. They want me to lift the hairline up so I can prove that it's a wig. But you know what? That's the ultimate compliment, because that's just saying that what you have on is too pretty to be a wig. Well, let me tell you something. These wigs nowadays are absolutely beautiful. Pretty much straight from the box. You might have to do a little bit of work with, sometimes you get a face flopper or you get a little bit of box hair, but really these are just absolutely beautiful synthetic wigs, and I feel so grateful that I get to show them to you. So let's take this one off. Let me pop Madison on. I get a lot of questions on the wig grip, and I'm getting ready to readjust this one and put it back on. This is the Tressalure wig grip. It has a silicone strip. You can see that going in the middle of the wig grip there. And this has a left monofilament part, so I'm going to put it right there on the left-hand side. So whenever you have that part line, it looks just like your scalp. It just has Velcro in the back, so I Velcro it here on the bottom. So with most wig grips, you have just the velvet, but on the Tressalure wig grip, you get that extra security of that silicone strip going around, and you will see my wig does not move once I get it on. So let's pop Madison on, take a good look at it, and also I will have a link to that Tressalure wig grip down in my description box below. Okay. This is straight from the box. I've done nothing to it other than shake it. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of water. It has just a slight little wave in it, as you can see, but it does have some layers in it. There's the back. I know it's got a 2-inch nape. Make sure I have that pulled down all the way. Yep. But you see how I just get my hands in my wigs, just kind of fluff it a little bit. Let's take a look at that extended lace front. Belle Tress does a really wonderful job with their lace fronts. This one goes down from here to here. Look, see how I just get in at the roots? I like volume and I like messy. You can get a pretty ear tuck with this. Let's see what it looks like with both ears tucked. Cute. So here's a picture of the stock photo so you can see what it looks like on the Belle Tress model. Here's what it looks like on me. And I love a heat-friendly style when it's this length because it's not going to be rubbing up on my clothes. I'm not going to have those friction points. So chin length and above, I love a heat-friendly style. You have those wonderful heat-friendly fibers, and they move so naturally, no shine. You can style them if you want to with heat. And I do think that I am going to get my hairdryer out and I am going to get a little bit of volume on this. But I'm glad that you get to see it right from the box. So if you like a lower density look, I think I'm probably going to hit this with some heat right here too and just kind of get this back off of my forehead a little bit more. Okay, give this a little bit of lift here and a little bit of lift here with my hairdryer. That's all you have to do is just put some heat on it. And you always have to set those heat-friendly fibers in. Once you heat them up, it's like you're melting them. And then you have to cool them with a cool shot. So you can set them with a cool shot or just clip it in place where you have heated it up, just so those fibers can cool down in the new style that you want. And let me just show you that left mono part. Really, I'm going to take a comb too and just comb these fibers out a little bit. I'm going to comb these out just a little bit. So you just kind of fluff it. So I'm just going to spritz it with some water. My hairdryer does have a cool shot on it. So it's nothing fancy. It's an old Remington hairdryer that I've had for years and years. It just won't break. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with Madison with just adding some high heat. You want to move your hairdryer inside the cap of your wig. Move it around. Don't keep it in one place for very long. So here we go. I'll probably just speed this up, but just know that I'm doing high heat for a few seconds, and then I'm going to set it in with that cool shot, and we'll see what we get. Let's see what we have with Madison. It's always exciting to see what we get whenever we do something like that, isn't it? Okay, I'm just going to pop it back on. Okay. Now, that's a lot of volume, isn't it? Now remember, this is a low density style, no permatease. So it's very lightweight. It only weighs 3.4 ounces. Feels like I don't have anything on my head. Oh, this is so cute. Just gonna take my wide tooth comb. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty before, but it's more me now. And before I forget, let me give you the measurements. We have 6-inch side pieces. The bang is 4 to 5 inches. I did mention that the bangs are 4 to 5 inches, and you can trim those if you want to. So if you'd rather have a straight across bang, you can easily trim a bang in that. The nape is 2 inches. Overall, it is 9 inches, and this weighs 3.4 ounces. So I'm going to put a little heat in this area here. I'm going to stay away from the lace as much as I can. Stay away from that area, but I do want to get some lift here. And so let's go ahead and do that. I might just speed this up. Cool shot. I like that. Okay, let's put the heat back on up here. It's staying back pretty good. I might have to hit this part up a little bit more with some heat and cool shot. Dress it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like with a little headband. Really pretty look. But I'm just getting in with my fingers. And let's see what it looks like with just one side pulled up. Pull some pieces down. I really love how they do the highlights in this Macadamia Latte-R, especially around the face. Very pretty, and it brightens your face up. That is pretty. I like that look. This kind of has a messy look to it, and that's just the way it's supposed to be. Now, of course, because this is heat friendly, you can straighten this if you want, or you can add more curls to it if you want to. So I just clipped a couple pieces back here on the top. Madison comes in 12 colors, and this is Macadamia Latte-R. It is a rooted and a highlighted color. So we have a medium brown root, and you can see how Belle Tress did the highlights in this. They bring it all the way up to that part line there, and that root color actually is the base of the wig, so it runs throughout the wig, and we have some brunette undertones in it. It's a gorgeous blonde color. And this has a mixture of ash and some champagne, so very cool. We also have a little bit of honey in there. So you've got warmth, you've got coolness in there. And I think that Macadamia Latte-R would be a complementary color to a lot of skin tones. So I think that the coolness and the warmth with the honey gives it more of a neutral look, and neutral maybe leaning a little warm with that medium brown root. So just an absolutely beautiful color from Belle Tress. And I'm also going to show you this in some outdoor lighting. Let me show you Madison from all sides before I leave you, just so you can get one last idea of what this cute style looks like. You can use the code Andy in the note section at checkout. Just use that link that I have for you down in the description box below. It'll take you right over to Madison and tlwigs.com. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing review of Madison. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Click here to watch my review of another beautiful Belle Tress style. This is Belle Tress Morgan.